Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Zoom webinars for lead generation with registration forms, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zoom account. Navigate to the Zoom dashboard. Select the webinars option from the left-hand menu. Click on the Schedule a Webinar button. Fill in the necessary details, such as the webinar topic and description. Set the date and time for your webinar. Scroll down to the Webinar Options section. Check the box for registration to enable registration forms. Customize your registration settings as needed. You can choose to approve registrants automatically or manually. Consider enabling a confirmation email for registrants. Add any custom questions you would like to include on the registration form. Look for additional options, such as whether to enable a waiting room. Once you've completed the settings, click Save. After saving, navigate to the Invitation tab for sharing details. Copy the registration link provided for your webinar. Share this link with your audience to encourage signups. Monitor registration statistics through your Zoom dashboard. Utilize this data for effective lead generation. Send reminders to registrants as the webinar date approaches. Prepare engaging content for your webinar to capture leads effectively. After the webinar, follow up with registrants to convert leads into customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.